This video is intended for a general audience. I hope you enjoy it. What's going on, everybody? This is Jack Tanner 2001 here, and I'm here with a review of Wooden Railway Jack. Now, it's been quite a while since I've done a Wooden Railway review. I've done a review on Wooden Railway Flynn, Wooden Railway Kevin, and Wooden Railway Harold back in the past. So I decided to do Jack instead. So let's get right into it. He's one of the road vehicle characters in the show. And some of you may not know, he's part of the group known as Jack in the Pack. Now, I did remember watching Jack's very first episode. It's back in season 6, where Jack had first joined Miss Jenny's crew, and there was all sorts of confusion with Max being in the way. And Max was the most troublesome. And what's interesting about Jack is that he was the first character from the Jack and the Pack Co. to be in CGI, and that was King of the Railway. He did reappear in Sodor's Legend of the Lost Treasure, along with Alfie, Oliver, and I believe Maxamonte appeared later. Oh, I don't know. I feel like I should watch King of the Railway again. I don't know, maybe I want to. Because back then when Thomas was actually good. Yeah, but this is a very good model, I would say. I had to tell a little history about Jack, even though it's been a while since I watched the show. In fact, this little plastic thing here lifts up this thing. So that's pretty interesting. If you press this again, just go back down and you can move this. Huh. That's really cool. I don't bought this in used condition. I mean, there is some paint that I might work on. I mean, all in all, this is a good model. Like, if I were to take another character out for scaling. I mean, here's Porter. I mean, Wooden Railway is not that great for scaling, but I know it's good for for large scale or something like that. It's kind of fair. As you know, remember the review on Kevin. And here is Kevin with the scaling with Jack. Well, it is pretty interesting to see, you know, the scaling of the Wooden Railway trains, even though I never experienced them before. And here is Harold, the helicopter. I bought him back in 2015. I actually like this Wooden Railway Harold. And Terrence, who I have alongside here. The classic series model with the original face. Even though it is a struggle to move this thing. So I have another road vehicle character upcoming soon. So stay tuned for next week, and you'll have to guess who I got. I'll be reviewing next week. So that is it for the review and the discussion of Jack. This is Jack Tanner 2001 here saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.